Welcome to Sheikh Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see January 2023 question number P2 Pure Max Edexcel question number 4 log sums. Okay. Log, look at the question. Log 4x to the base 3 is equal to, no, plus 2 is equal to log 3 base 3 5x plus 7. Okay, bring it that side. Log 4x to the base 3 minus log 5x plus 7 to the base 3 is equal to minus 2. You know the log rule. See, both are the same base. Same base means we can divide m minus log m minus log n log m over n if it is same base and no. Okay, now log 4x over 5x plus 7 to the base 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now remove the log. Okay. Remove the log. Minus 2. Sorry. Minus 2. Most of the students get confused how to remove it. 3 power minus 2. Actually, this is 3 power minus 2 is equal to 4x over 5x plus 7. Okay, this is the one. But I would like to clarify your people removing everything. Okay. Log base a to the base b is equal to c means what to do? This will swap. You remove the log. This will swap. So b power c is equal to a. Very simple. Okay, now m power n is equal to l means this will swap when you are making it. This is the log to exponential. This is the exponential to log. How to do it? Log m to the base m l is equal to n. Got it? It's a simple way to learn. Many of them get confused which one to base, which one to change. Okay, and another one, I will tell another one simple method. Okay, this is a very clear method. 10 squared is what? 100. You check in your calculator, log 100 is log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. When you get confused, you write it 10 squared equal to 100, log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. You accordingly make it. Suppose for example, log a to the base b is equal to c means here what happened? 10 square, this one and this one. So b power c is equal to a. So here 10 square is equal to 100. Okay. Okay, come here. Okay, now we will go to the. Now 3 power minus 2. Always this only will swap. 3 power minus 2. I return here. Three power minus 2 is 1 over 9. 5x plus 7. Just multiply it. 1 times 5x plus 7. 9 times 4x. 5x plus 7 is equal to 36x. Bring it that 7 is equal to 36x minus 5x. 7 is equal to 31x. X is equal to 7 over 31. Okay? Copy down. Part B, given that sigma r is equal to 1 to 2 log y power r to the base a is equal to sigma r is equal to 1 to 2 log y to the base a power r. Here the power r is only for y. Here this power r is log y to the base a. Okay. Now do it. What is mean by r is equal to 1 to 2? First you substitute 1 and then 2. This is nothing but log y to the base a 1 plus log y to the base a 2, r equal to 1 to 2. Here log y to the base a power 1 log y to the base a power 2. Got it? Okay. This is y to the this one and this one is the same only. Okay, because this is nothing but log y to the base a. This power one is same. Here is also log y to the base a. This power is also, this is also same. So these two I cancelled. Now this one I can rearrange like this: 2 log y to the base a. We know the formula. Log a m n means this will go here. N log m to the base a. Okay. The same one here I did it. This one will become like this. This one will become that. You cannot do any log rules because this square is out of log. Whole including the log. Okay, put log a y is equal to t. Let log a y equal to t. 2t is equal to t square. So t square, you copied on until now. So t square minus 2t is equal to 0. T, take out t minus 2 equal to 0. T equal to 0. T is equal to 2. Until now copy it. What is t? Log y to the base a is equal to 0. This cannot be. Okay, so only option this one, log y to the, when y is 1 a power 0, when y is 1 it will become 0. So a power 0 when y is 1, it will be 0. Okay, here the second case, log a y is equal to 2 means y is equal to a square. Okay, they told y is greater than 1, so this is not possible. Okay, y equal to a square, this is possible.